Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Do you feel tired, sluggish, or stuck in unhealthy habits? What if you could hit the reset button on your body and mind in just 7 days? In just 1 week, you can start reversing fatigue, improve sleep, boost energy, enhance digestion, and feel lighter and more focused. Stay with me till the end, and you'll discover the exact 7-day plan that can transform your health naturally without expensive supplements or extreme diets. We're focusing on 4 pillars: nutrition, movement, sleep, and mindset. Improving just one area helps, but combining all 4 produces a transformation you can feel in your body and mind. Nutrition, energy, digestion, and focus. Movement, metabolism, mood, and strength. Sleep, recovery, hormone balance, and mental clarity. Mindset, consistency, motivation, and stress control. By day 3, you may notice clearer skin, more energy, and reduced cravings. Improved energy, reduced joint stiffness, and better mood by day 4 or 5.
Better sleep supports weight management, reduces stress, and improves focus and memory. Goal: support consistency and long-term results. Daily reflection or journaling, track meals, mood, energy levels, positive reinforcement, celebrate small wins to build motivation. Mindfulness and meditation, even 5 minutes a day lowers stress and improves focus. Visualization. Picture your health goals and take one step each day. Example: spend 5 minutes each morning listing 3 things you're grateful for and 1 action you'll do for your health. If this is helpful, make sure you keep watching. Because next, I'll show you how to combine all 4 pillars into a simple 7-day reset plan that's easy to follow and fits any lifestyle. Hit the like button if you're ready to feel more energized and focused this week. These small adjustments make the reset easier and more sustainable. Resetting your health in 7 days is about simple, consistent actions in nutrition, movement, sleep, and mindset. Do this, and you'll feel more energized, focused, and in control of your health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical health tips every week.